What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Camarillo. They got Nike outlet, they got a bunch of shops. Let's see how many we could hit up. Go. All right, this video we are starting with the Nike outlet, and then we'll see if I can hit up other stores after. No huge store-wide sales, no crazy heat back behind the counter, no crazy line. Remember that line? Holy crap. All right, let's look around. Of course, we gotta see what's up with the heat section. Not too crazy, not too crazy. Do got some sevens going for regular price, as with everything else. Mids, dunks. Grade school. Grade school. Got some grade school ones. Just Lakers. Lows, ones. This is a men's size 11. Size 4. Size 13, my bad. Size 13. Still got the one golfs right here. Did grab one of these last video. Mids, some fives. Got some grade school action as well. Haven't seen these anywhere in a long time. Do you got the what the fives? This is a smaller size though. 4.5 on these. I'm a huge fan of these, man. We got one of those at home. Twos that have been here for a while. Is this a 3.5? That's a very, very small. Oh, it's a preschool. Size 2Y of the Calids. Got some dunks. This is a women's dunk right here. Size 11 women's, 9.5 men's. Got some of these dunks right here with the premium material on it. These are 7.5 women's. That's pretty much about it. That's the kids section right there, kids and women's. Then the men's heat section on this side, and then the clearance section right here. 40% off. The clearance wall right here. Let's see what they got. Starting off with the smaller sizes. Nike by I thought these were some Nike by Use or something. Guess not. The Del Dons. Okay, these are definitely interesting. Together we fly. What these going for? 120. These are size 8.5. Oh, 8.5 women's now. It's a size 7. That's interesting. All horse 7s. If you guys are into hiking and stuff like that, go for 65. Size 8 blazers. Go for $100. Another colorway. Size 9. Go for 105. Kyrie pricing has been crazy, up and down. Some places had them hella cheap. 120 for these. These are size 9 Kyrie 5 lows. More size 9 Air Force One highs retail. Rachis $65. More of these Kyrie size 9.5 140. What is this? Never seen these before. The Gatos, the street Gatos, indoor soccer shoes. Okay, this material is definitely interesting. I haven't seen too many of these that are suede. I haven't seen these in a while. I used to see this all the time. I haven't seen them in a while. Retail, I guess. Whatever that is. More of these. Oh, this one 8.5. I'm in like the 9.5 section. Ton of those wild horses apparently. LeBron's going for 120 right here. Okay. Air Max 90s. I think it's a size 10 yet. 140 for those. All white Air Max 90s right here. Retail game. One. Then some trainers. Bo Jackson trainers right here. These are trainer ones. Retail game, I guess. $100. 40% off though, so not too shabby. Normally all these regular price items would be like whatever, but 40% off, 175, size 10. That probably brings us down to what, $100 or so. Got some duck boots right here. You got stars on the top. I think that's interesting. Okay, 180 for these. Kyrie Low 5 Team Bank colorway. Gray is pretty freaking dope. Regular price, so by regular price I mean 40% off. Infinity Run Rehab Finance go for $100. The size 10.5 now. $120 for the LeBrons. Still got plenty of Blazer Low. The Beachwood colorway, 45 for those. Air Max 2090s going for 70. Pegasus Ola, L-O-U, huh? Ola Lu? I don't know what the hell that is. 85 for those. Those are Pecos 39s.
Attention Nike shoppers. Thank you for shopping with us today. While you're here, we want to ensure you know about some great savings available. All footwear on the back walls and on the front shelf will get an additional 40% off the lowest particular price. Once again, all footwear on the back walls and on the slanted shelves will get an additional 40% off the lowest particular price. Also, all clearance apparel is an additional 40% off the lowest particular price. That's right. All men's, women's, and kids' clearance apparel marked with an orange or green sticker will receive an additional 40% off the lowest particular price. If you have any questions about today's promotion, any Nike athlete is here and more than happy to help. Thank you for choosing to shop at Nike Camarillo. Have a wonderful day.
All right, you heard about their specials right there, 40% off. The clearance, it seems like clearance apparel and clearance shoes or sneakers. We're in the size 11s. Kyrie's going for regular price. I've never even seen that colorway. I'm good on this one, dude. I'm good with that. Air Max 90s, we saw this earlier. Okay, it is 120, so you get 10% discount or $10 discount and the 40 on top of that. Is that ludicrous? Ludicrous and damn, this was one of the hottest songs, man. I remember when this song came out. One of the hottest songs out. I do got these bad boys right here. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at this. 110. Do get an extra 40% off. So at $70-something. Holy crap, this is a size 11. $70-something for these. That is just dumb. Oh my goodness. That is fire. Does have the USA color right there. This is the barbershop one, but pretty much USA colorway. I should technically, that's the Korean flag colorway. Because it's red, white, blue, and then does have black on it. That's crazy. Man, that's so cheap. This was a size 11. I might even try it on, but it's 11 and a half, yo. 11 and a half. Damn. Is that some Jordan 12 low golf? That's definitely interesting. Never seen this colorway, never heard of it. 40% off retail. Prestos, we've seen this colorway quite some time. 75 for those. We're on the size 12 now, apparently. Infinity One Flyknits, going for 100. Damn you! Are you even worth showing? Are these the street flies or the street flies? Going for 120. Okay. I guess it's meant for 5K and 10K, so middle distance running. Metcon 6 is going for 60. Infinity Run Phantom React Flyknit 2s going for 75. These are Nike by You. Air Force One highs. These are Quick Strike size 13 going for 150. These extended size price, they're just the same size 13s. Oneantas going for $45. Shout out to the homie Dave. Definitely appreciate. We was chopping it up, talking about sneakers for quite some time. All right, we're on I think the 14s. Checking out the Big Feet gang. Sizes, let's see what's up. Gotta look at these. Like these, they didn't even have room for these. Size 15, some dunks. Okay, they're here. They're all right. I'm not a huge fan of those regular dunks. I have bought a lot for presents lately. I don't really get them for myself, to be really honest. Size 14, Killshot 2 leathers going for 85. Tailwinds going for $41. That's hella cheap right there. Oh, I did forget to mention, Dave was one of the few that actually came through. He happened to be out in the area last week when I did announce that, hey, they had pandas here on Instagram. So that's what I'm saying, man. Follow my Instagram and you might have a chance. Like, it's not always going to work out because, you know what I'm saying, I drive her all around LA. But it is what it is. Yeah, $130 for these size 13s. Is this ACGs? No. Windflow 9 shields. Right. All right, size 15. There's really not much, guys. Oh, dang. That's not even a 15. These right here, 2090s retail. And when I say retail, y'all know 40% off. Air Max 95s go for 140. 40 off. All right, we're going to check out the aisles. Dang, I've been talking to people left and right, so we might have to hurry this up. Hydro 6s. Another one of these. Jordan Access. XRS. Jordan Liftoff. Got another one up there as well. Damn, I don't think I'm gonna have time for apparel. God dang it, dude. All right. I still enjoy talking to everybody, so it is what it is. I just need to check out the lids, man, because they had that crazy sale. Immortalities. Another one of those. Jordan 1 Low Golf. Dang, these are still here? That's surprising. But I got all kinds of sizes up to size 13. Oh, duh, all this stuff is regular price now, huh? They don't have that extra 30% off. So that makes sense. I was able to get those Jordan 1 Golf for 30% off. We got the Lucas right here. I did change sneakers. Threw on some Jordan 3 pure whites. All white Jordan 3s. Icy bottoms. They're not really icy anymore because they're old. And then wearing some shorts and t-shirt. Yeah, I love being in California. Witness 6s. Dude got some LeBrons. Ton of Soldiers. Ton of Ebernons. Ebernon lows. Burrows right there. Witness 6s. And got a whole aisle full of them. I'll go for 80. iShod wears right there. SBs. Air Force Ones. Another one of those. Got messages coming in. Air Trainer Ones. Another one of those. I haven't seen any of them with that baseball stitching, unlike the one I saw at Chic. And like the one I saw at Chic. Whatever. I don't know. Air Force Ones. Another one of these. I've never seen that colorway. Okay. Jumbos right here. The Blazer Low Jumbos. Air Max 2017s. Another one of those. A whole aisle full of 2090s right there. Another Air Max 2017. All right, I only have 20 more minutes, but we need to check out a couple things. $79 for these are all double XL right here. These are all 40% off. Remember, t-shirts going for 15 bucks. That's not discounted, but I'm not really seeing too much XL. Hoodies right here, extra bright. Volt colorway going for $25. Got hoodies, or yeah, these jackets. My bad. $90. You do get that 40% off. Normally $130. Got polos going 50% off. It says up to 50% off. Price is marked. Okay. All right. I think this is going to be a shorter vlog. But I think we're done. Definitely worth stopping by, especially with that 40% off the clearance section. All right. I have at least one more shop to check out for y'all. So there's my old truck right there. It's like, dude, like really? You have to park that close, fool? Like, you got that much room on that side, fool, and you have to park that close? Really? Really, dog? Man, y'all dumb, dude.